Okay, now what we're going to do is add a little more into this code. And the code was that we started with data types with data blocks, TY mapped, which had material number, language, material description. Okay, then we have TY mark, material number, plant, end of TY mark. TY T01W, which is plant, name of the plant, that's it. So the common over here is Matner, and common over here is plant and plant. Okay. Then we have internal table types, standard table of TY mapped, which is TY mapped, and work area of TY mapped. IT mark is TY mark, standard table, and work area mark is TY mark. Then we have data standard IT internal table of T01W, which is this, and work area. Then parameters is material number, and we select material number, language, material description from MAKT into table, internal table, where Matner is equal to P Matner, and then language is system language, which is English. Select Matner works from mark into internal table mark, where Matner is equal to P Matner. So this is the common denominator here. Then we have select plant, name of plant from T01W into table internal table T01W. Then we select plant name one from T01 to table T01W for all entries in IT mark, where works equals to IT mark works. So IT mark works. Over here we have material number, and so we are pulling data from, we are getting entry for TY mapped parameters and getting details from TY mark using TY T01W. Okay, so we loop at IT mark because this has both the denominators of material number and plant. Loop at IT mark into work area because we cannot publish IT mark. We cannot access directly IT mark internal table. Okay, select single plant name from T01 into work area, where works is equal to, which is plant, equals to work area mark plant. Append work area T01 to IT. So whatever is added will be added and updated to T01W. Loop at IT mark into work area mark, and read table. First it was T01, now it is mapped, IT mapped, internal table mapped into work area mapped, where material number is equal to WA mark work area mark Matner. Okay, and read table ITW into internal table into work area T01W with keywords, which is again coming from marks. So write mark Matner, MAKT text and works from mark. So we are combining all the three structures all together. Okay, now let's add some loop statement, right? Okay, text. So we are getting mark material number, MAKT material description, mark plant and plant name from T01W. Okay. So TY that we use over here is denoting, it's symbolizing data type, structure, template. Okay. And okay. So we don't actually use select statement in a loop because it takes up time in running the loop. So we write select statements out of the loop. And what we'll do, nonetheless, we will copy, and we disable it from here. And into Tworks. Okay. Select single. Select single plant name from T01 into work area T01W where plant equals WA mark works. Okay. Select single. Okay. Check. No syntax errors. Activate. LAP9FG execute. Okay. This is printing plant description. LAP9 Hyderabad plant is the description. This is the plant L9P1, and this is the finished good. LAP9 finished good. Let's take up chassis 2022 plant. This is plant. This is plant description. Okay, fair enough. Read table ITW into W T01W with key works is equal to mark works. So from mark works, we actually read the table, internal table, and see what it is here. In this table, we have plant and plant description. Append work area into internal table. Checks. Activate. Direct processing. Chassis. Okay. Select material number plant from T01 into table ITT for all entries in IT mark. For all entries in IT mark where works equals IT mark works. Okay. Check. Unknown Matner. Unknown column name Matner. Material number Matner is unknown. So Matner is not there. Let me, okay. So LAP 9 P1 is being executed, but no details are being given. Okay, select single. When it was single, it was publishing all the records. Okay. If IT mark is not initial, select works name from T01W into table IT10W for all entries in IT mark, where plant equals IT mark works. Okay. If ID mark is not initial, not initial means it's empty, not initialized, no initial entries there. Select plant name one from T01 into table, IT, internal table, for all entries in IT mark, where plant equals IT mark works. So we select plant name when plant equals IT mark works. Okay, check. Activate. Select Matner works from MARD into table IT mark, where Matner is equal to P Matner. IT mark by works, sort IT mark by works, delete adjacent duplicates from IT mark comparing works. So we are actually removing duplicates for plants. MARD. What is MARD slash OSC11? Okay, client material number, plant, store location, data division, fiscal year, current period. Okay, so we have force not null. It cannot be null means it has to have initial values, which is it has to be filled. This field cannot be empty. It means okay. Store location, plant material number. Okay, fair enough. So we have select material number plant from MARD into table IT mark, where matna is equal to P matna. So P in P matna, it will fill up IT mark and it will select into table, internal table, sort IT mark by works, delete adjacent duplicates from IT mark. If there are any duplicates from MARD, comparing plants. Active. In TY mark, we add another field which is Algort, was Algort storage location. Okay, storage location is added. Select Matner works Algort from MARD into table IT mark where Matner is LP Matner, sort IT mark by works, and we delete the duplicates. LAP9 Hyderabad. Okay, storage location. It's picking up for deleting other entries. Okay, after parameter, let's add some more at line selection, start of selection. After hide W mark works. Okay. Loop at IT mark into VA mark where works is equal to VA mark works, right? W mark works, mark Algort and loop. Okay. Why is it that Algort, right, and loop, start of selection? Okay. Activate. Okay, select Matnos Brass from MQT, from Mark, from T10W. For all entries, single Magnavox Elgort. Okay, I think if you remove this, select single. Okay. Select single works name from T1. Okay. Work. Check. I guess it doesn't have the location. Since we have added Elgort, which is storage location, it's not picking up other material. So we will have to select Matna Works Elgort from MARD. Select from okay for all entries. Okay. Elgort into table IT mark because we are doing IT mark here. Check, activate. Okay, LP 91. Just execute. At one single select. I got from my into IT table. Okay. Sort IT mark by works. Select delete adjacent duplicates from IT mark comparing words. If IT mark is not initial, for all entries in IT mark, mark works. And if loop, okay. Okay, let's write another concept now. 07 December. Data v matrix is type matrix. Parameters p matner is matner. Data v matrix type matrix v matner type v matner. Select options S matner for v matner. Right v matner. V matrix was already declared. Okay. V matrix is unknown. V matrix. V matrix. V matner. Right. Matner. Okay. V matner is matner. V matner type matner. Select option S matner for V matner. Right. V matner. Activate. V matner. Okay. Next, we will refine this code, but let's check this. RKO does not exist. Okay, so what we are trying to do is creating select options. So select options. Okay, so select options. We'll be discussing this in detail. Select options gives us for vmatner. Vmatner is variable matner, and it is giving us select options. We'll be covering this in the next chapter, next lecture.